If you're a busy private practice owner, I want to make sure that you know about a couple features in SimplePractice that can save you a lot of time when writing your progress notes. First, I want to show you how to use the Load Previous Note button. When you click it, it automatically adds the content from the previous session in the progress note. So if you use notes where the content for some areas doesn't change much, this is a great way to save time. Today I'll show you how you can customize your own progress notes to fit the way you work and use the Load Previous Note button to autofill those repetitive note sections. These two features can save you tons of time, especially when you think about how many times you'll use them over the weeks, months, and year. For example, if you have 4 sessions per day and save only 5 minutes per note, that's an extra 20 minutes per day and at least an hour per week. And as a quick reminder, these features are available in the Professional plan, which you have access to if you're using our trial account. Now that you've started with SimplePractice, we can help you save time and headaches on your progress notes. After you have a session, you can add the progress note by clicking on the session in the calendar and selecting Add Note, or by going to the client profile page and clicking plus Progress Note. This drop-down field has all the progress note templates that are currently in the My Notes and Forms section of your account. We'll talk about how to customize those in a second. For now, you can see that to the right there's a Load Previous Note button. When you click it, it automatically adds the content from the previous session in the progress note. You can make slight edits where it's needed and then save the note. But what if you like writing out your progress notes and don't want to switch to typing your notes at all? Click here to learn how you can use SimplePractice's mobile app to take a photo of your written notes and upload it securely to your client record, then shred that written note. Next, let's make some customizations to a progress note. Click on the My Account button in the upper right corner of the screen, then click Settings and click Notes and Forms on the left side of the page. Under Notes and Forms, you'll see 2 tabs listed at the top of the page, My Notes and Forms and Template Library. The My Notes and Forms tab is where you'll find all of your progress note templates and intake templates currently added to your SimplePractice account, which are automatically determined by the profession that you selected when first creating your SimplePractice account. Many more are available in the template library, and you can preview them by clicking the eye icon, and then click Add to add them to your account back in the Notes and Forms tab. From this tab, you can click the Preview button, and you can also duplicate or remove them. I'll duplicate this soap note so I can play around with it without messing up the original. To make changes to an existing template, click on the name of the template. This will take you to the Template Builder page where you can change the template name. I can also rearrange the order of these questions by clicking the 3 lines to the left of the question and dragging up or down. Click on the Add New button to start building your note. From there you can select the type of question or form element from the drop-down menu. Question options include long answer or short answer free text field, single or multiple choice answers, drop-down menus, or calendar date. You can also have the ability to add paragraph text, section headers, and section breaks to help organize the appearance of your notes. As an example, I'll add a long answer text field. I'll type in the question, and later the form will automatically add a space below this question for me to fill out my response. Next, I'll add a multiple choice question. For this type of question, I can have multiple preset answers. I can set those by clicking the plus answer button. To get a preview of what this template document will look like, I can click the Preview button up here next to the name of the template. Thanks for watching.